So our last team from the University of Purdue has their robot on the table. They're eating into their 1 minute setup time. They're making some final position corrections before they send their robot off. They haven't started? You have 5 seconds left. They're hands off and their robot has started. Do you have the scores from the last round? From the last round though, how did this team do on the last round? Do you know what they got? So the Purdue University during the last round received a score of 1. They're off to a positive start. They were able to knock off one of the diseased apples, though unfortunately they've left on 2 of the ripe apples. So again, human interaction with the robot is allowed, though it will hurt them on their score. They're getting lined up on the second run. And I believe the way that their robot is designed, ideally they should be picking off of either side of the robot. They're approaching a diseased apple. All right, and it is off. A diseased apple, see if it knocks that off. A blue apple. Hey, there we go, success. Removal of a diseased apple. From what I'm seeing, it looks like there's only one active picker. Their picker on the right-hand side, or one of the sides of the robot doesn't appear to be actively monitoring what color the apple is, and their guidance system is struggling somewhat. So getting lined up on the 3rd row. They have consumed 2 minutes and 23 seconds at this point. 2 minutes and 23 seconds out of the total 5-minute allotted time. And again, I think they're struggling a little bit with their guidance system and being able to identify where that black line is. They are off. We're at 3 minutes, 2 minutes left. That was a successful removal of a diseased apple. Now it's just past a red apple, left it. We've got 2 green apples left on the side. Hopefully they leave those on the tree. And now the robot is making a turn. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Got a minute and a half left. All right, they're on the final row. We're just short of 4 minutes. They've got approximately 1 minute left, 1 minute. And it is off. 50 seconds. 50 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. For some reason, that robot seems to want to continue to turn off to the right and not stay in that straight path, and assuming that's causing some issues with a robot's ability to detect where those apples are. We've got 15 seconds left. 15 seconds. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and that is time. 5 minutes.